Alright, Mr. Sotko here. We're about to blow up a TV with some Tannerite. We got a big old TV, we smashed out the top. We put about 2 or 3 pounds of Tannerite in, half a quart of gasoline, and we're going to shoot it with this AR. It's in 5.45. It might take a few shots because it's a smaller round to pierce the glass, but I think it'll blow up real good. Let's do this. Peace out, TV! Okay, this is the aftermath. We had a good, well, let's say 27-inch TV. Now we got absolutely nothing. It's completely gone.